Hello, my name is Jay. Welcome to Worktable, a printing and painting channel. Today I'll be showing you how I am doing a new project making tiles for my war table. So it's going to cover the whole table with tiles, and these tiles have 3 dimensions, so it'll be much more interesting looking. I got these from ZorpaZorp through my mini factory. He's got a great channel too about this kind of stuff. He builds some amazing things. If you want to check that out, I definitely think you'd like it if you like this. So anyway, this is how these tiles snap together. You got to print out the little snaps too. They don't take very much filament to print out, and snap them together. Now, how I painted this was I started with some black Stynol Resi primer in my airbrush. But you could use, canned like Chaos Black from Citadel or something like that if you don't have an airbrush. And it might even work a little easier than an airbrush because it's made to cover a bigger area probably than an airbrush. This is a pretty big area you're going to have to cover with these things depending on your table size. Now I had to print out like 48 of these to do my table. After I did the black, I used some white Stynol Resi primer to do a zenithal just to give it depth, and then I did a gray using some Anitas with thinner in my airbrush, and that came out pretty good. So next I went down all the cracks and crevices with black Templar contrast paint, and that actually works really good in an airbrush. I liked how it came out. And I also used like I think an apple barrel copper to just do all the grating and stuff in between. Beside the big grates and the manhole covers, I used some lead belcher, and I also used some Nollan oil and some Agrax Earthshade here and there just to give it some more depth. This is me putting on some of the copper, and it goes on real easy. Like it's made to paint super fast and easy. Really, you don't even have to be super perfect with it, and it looks really good. So far I'm doing the first half of my 3-foot by 6-foot table. I've almost got all the tiles printed. It's taken me about a week. So I'll have to do my other side of my table, which will take another week. So hopefully I'll have a whole video showing the whole thing done here soon. I also have affiliate links through Amazon, who I make a small commission from. Thank you for watching and have a great day.